So my Cambodian visa is running out. I got to renew it this week, extend it, or I got to get out of here. So apparently back in the day, it used to be harder to do it yourself. You had to go through an agent, and you can still go through like an agent or an agency here. It's about $49, whereas if you do it yourself, it's $30. So I'm going to try doing it myself, but if you're trying to do this on the cheap, you can't use tuk-tuks or taxis because the office is way out at the airport, and all of your money that you're going to save is just going to get eaten up in transportation. So if you don't like taking local buses, then just pay somebody to do this for you. But if you don't mind taking a local bus, you want to save that, $20. I'm just heading to bus number 3 now at Andong Hospital. Bus takes about an hour to get out to the airport, then I just have to cross the street. Now, for a lot of people, if they're traveling, they'd rather just spend their time doing other stuff than, doing business like this. But, I'm thinking like if it's a young backpacking couple and they want to stretch their dollars out, I mean, that's like $40 between 2 people. That's a few nights in a hostel. So I'm going to be the guinea pig here and give this a try. I've gotten extensions with visas in other countries on my own before as well. So it should be interesting to see what the process is like here in Phnom Penh. So this is the best way to do it if you're going to do the visa extension yourself. Go out to the airport, use the local bus. Bus number 3 costs 1,500 rial each way. That's like 40 cents. So you do that, and then it's going to be worth it to do this on your own. You're going to have to make 2 trips. They don't do same-day service, so you got to go out there, drop off your stuff, passport photo, and probably fill out an application there, and then they'll call you back however long. We'll see. Couple buses on the way, but I think the first one's a number 2, and I need the number 3. It's like a lot of people waiting here. I hope I don't have to stand for like an hour. Nope, not this one. I think it's the next one, maybe. Here we go. Number 3. Wow, these are pretty nice buses, aircon, pretty comfy. Okay, I've arrived here, stop and go traffic all the way out. It's pretty congested. Across from the airport is the Immigration Office Department. So I'm gonna go inside now and see how it goes. It's like 2:45 right now, so let's see how long this takes. So, not bad, about 45 minutes total inside. Very friendly service, no problems at all. So I've got my visa extension, I paid for it. But the hitch is I got to wait 1 week. So I'm going to be in Phnom Penh for 3 or 4 more days than I had anticipated, but that's okay. Really happy with this. So I got to pick it up just 1 week from now. So I'm going to hop on the bus back to Riverside, Phnom Penh. By the way, this is I'm right next to the train here. They have the train service now that runs between the airport and downtown to Phnom Penh Royal Station. But this is, I'm too cheap. This is $250. Maybe I'll do this trip another time. Trying to save some money on doing the passport myself. So 1,500 real back to Phnom Penh. Cheapo, El Cheapo. So pretty easy to get the tourist extension yourself. You just got to wait a week. If you want to stay longer in Cambodia, longer than 1 or 2 months, then you'll need to apply for the e-visa upon arrival. Those can be extended up to 1 year, but a little bit more complicated now to extend those. So you might want to employ the services of an expert to help you out there, because you'll need some letters and different things. You can do it yourself, but you might find that you're going to go back to the immigration office maybe a couple of times before you get it all straightened around. So otherwise, though, the tourist visa extension, quite easy to do on your own. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Found it useful, helpful? If so, thumbs up, please. More videos from Cambodia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Asia. So subscribe to the channel now. Thanks for watching. Peace. See you soon.